seagulls. We're going to eat them. Okay, now Nikki is going to run and catch a seagull. Okay, just don't chase them all the way because I want some. Leave some for me, please. Come home. Nikki, come home. You chased them all away.
Sorry.
No, there's one over there. Here, film me. I'm going to go get this one. Shh.
Hey, I'm your friend. Come back. Oh, everybody's staring at me now. Oh, wow, look at this one. Whee, whee. Hold on, come over there. Run, Boris, run! Ah! Ha! I killed a fly. There. You can't see it, can you? There you can. Oh, here's Ellen, coming back from a trip to London. Ah! I'm going to see you, Molly.